Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and you are watching Hari Systems. Yes, for online courses and trainings, best trainings from the industry expert you will get here. So let's see. Today we are going to hear for joining a simple super easy concept of how to learn ASP.NET C# language. So what the steps we need to take? This help I'm trying to getting using ChatGPT. So let's try to learn something new. So here, if you are watching first time this video lecture and a session from this channel, please do subscribe and support us. Let's see. I'll ask a question to ChatGPT. How to learn ASP.NET C# language. Let's see. How ChatGPT will support us. And moreover, we will discuss and the steps we need to take and care to learn more things in ASP.NET. We'll try to apply and improve. So let's see. ChatGPT is a supporting. Yeah, learning ASP.NET C# is a gateway to develop dynamic web applications, and few of the steps it is suggesting for us. So what are the steps? Let's see. Almost 6 steps it's given. And these are very sufficient for us to learn starting my ASP.NET with the C# language. True. So familiarize yourself with the basics of C#. Before diving ASP.NET, it is important to have a good grasp of fundamentals of C#, the programming language from Microsoft. Learn basic programming languages concepts of data types and loop statements, functions, conditional statements, operators. These all are essential to complete the basics. And there are many online resources are available, including free courses, tutorials and books for to learn these basics as well as the advanced concepts of C#. Yes, really interesting thing is Hari System is also offering C# basic as well as the fundamentals and object-oriented concepts online courses. If you are interested to learn, find the below link for online courses, certification of completion, and you can watch this video lectures on mobile or computer system, and completion certificate is there which is acceptable for any company in the world. And come to the point. Second, learn ASP.NET. Once you have a solid foundation of C# language, you start learning ASP.NET with the basics such as creating new project, creating web forms, and using controls, which are ready-made controls are available in Microsoft Visual Studio. There are resources for to learn this official ASP.NET. Official documents are there which are absolutely free. Blogs are there, online courses are there, and YouTube resources are also available to learn. Practice. Yes, the best way to learn any programming language is required practice, practice, practice. Create a small projects, very small, to understand the life cycle of the project. What you have learned first, what you copied, what you see, not at all. What you learned according to your learning, that you need to create a project. By learning, whenever you are trying to converting this project, then you learn the real-time expertise, what it is need to work a project. To solve in this journey, many complexities may you face, all you will solve this complexity by joining a community or forums, group discussions, social media group discussions, seniors if you are having, or any other developers who are already sharing their knowledge, like Stack Overflow is there, Google Search is there. Nowadays, ChatGPT also will support you. If you are stuck anywhere, ask ChatGPT to solve your queries. Reading books and articles. Yes, really, most of the people, they may read their books and seniors through articles or official .NET articles to improvise your skill level. And Attend workshops and conferences which are conducting online or offline, like workshops, conferences, events, wherever it is gone, you just try to attend, which will help you to grow your career, build your relations with others, and you will try to make your more opportunities wherever it's available. Such way, if you start learning and doing and making the things, no one will stop you. Why don't you try today? So remember, learning programming language, any language, it's take time and effort. Don't get discouraged. You are not getting and you are not doing. Keep on, practice will makes you to do more difficult things. With practice and dedication, you can become a proficient in ASP.NET C# language. I strongly recommend you, and whenever you start, remember having a solid academic qualification with you. Yes, anyone can start from scratch. If you don't know any prior language experience, even you can start today and learn gradually, apply the skills in your own project way, and make sure to complete, add more skills to your career by doing a practice. If you feel this video lecture is useful to you, subscribe today and support for Hari Systems. I wish you good luck. Thank you.